In our previous part we have completed sidebar. Now our footer section. So let's go. In our project folder I have made some image. You can see I have made this offline. Okay, you can see it's a simple image. You can see Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. Okay, that's using, you can see in our floating image. Okay, also source code will be provided, so don't worry. Let's start. Edit with Notepad++. First, in our project template we can see just a div. Okay, footer. So write a div here. In our, we can see it's our content section. Okay, content section, and here just comment out here. Okay, content section and here. Okay, so now take a div and write a class name. Suppose I write footer section. Okay, and div close. Here you can see h2. Here we can see h2 copyright canvas and p tag developed by W Code Arjun. You can see. Okay, you can see copyright canvas and developed by Code Arjun. Okay, so let's go. Here just write first take h. Suppose I write h2 and h2 close. Okay, and here write, suppose you can see copyright canvas. Okay, you can use this image copyright, or you can use first write ampersand and write copy, then use semicolon and here write copyright. Okay, suppose copyright, here will not be space, it will be attached. Okay, copyright, then canvas. Okay, single quotation canvas, and in our right side we can see have developed by W Code Arjun. Okay, we can write it p tag, p close and write here developed by W Code Arjun. Okay, we can see write this selector into our CSS file. Okay, so here just write in our bottom section, comment out here, suppose footer section CSS, and first here write class name footer dot footer. Okay, and here will be h2p. So just enter to up footer section, then h2 and footer section p. Okay, you can see footer section A and p. Run into Chrome. Suppose it's our website. You can see here, you can see copyright and developed by W Code Arjun is appeared. Now here used here, suppose our first, you can see already know our template. Okay, template class, you can see here it's outside the template size. Okay, that we have fixed. So first use here template. Okay, here template, and use overflow hidden for CLR class. Okay, now refresh your browser, you can see it's already taken. In our template we can see it's a middle is canvas. Okay, so first write here, suppose here inspect element W Code Arjun, here footer section h2a, here suppose write, suppose I can write, suppose text align center. You can see it's a center. Okay, here you can see it's a center, and in here we can see copyright is a black color. Okay, copyright text is black color and canvas this color. Okay, so also you can see it's have a white space in top. Okay, in top section it will be middle. Okay, you can see. So here being the middle, first just copy line number 242 in CSS, line number 242, just paste here, and here first fix. You can see here, you can see some, suppose 76 pixel or 80 pixel we can use. We can use our footer section, okay, whole footer section we can use, suppose height. Okay, 80 pixel, and background we can use a background color, Ctrl+Alt+C, the copy the color code and write background color. Okay, it's taken 80 pixel, and copy line number 241, line number 241, paste here, refresh your browser, you can see here. Okay, now here you can see it will be middle. Okay? For middle, just use, suppose here, just use padding. I write suppose top padding top 10 pixel, or now increase it. Okay, just increase it. You can see now it's looking middle, 34 pixel or 5 pixel. Just use arrow key from your keyboard, 245, just paste here and refresh your browser. You can see this text developed by CoderZone. This text will be right side. Okay, just inspect element and here write suppose float right. Okay, float right, and it will be middle. Okay, just use margin, suppose margin top, it will be negative value. You can see we want to fix it into middle here. Okay, so it will be positive value, 0 pixel. Then use your down key from your keyboard. Okay, minus 420 pixel. Okay, now you can see it's have some space into right side. Okay, so just here using 10 pixel padding, right, 10 or up 15 pixel. Okay, now copy the code, line number 249, here will be this code. Okay, paste and refresh your browser. You can see now it's looking our template image, but here you can see this color, canvas color will be this color. So copy the color code, Ctrl Alt C. Okay, and inspect element. If use here, suppose here H2, footer section H2, if you use here color, you can see total text is colored. So we can use this color into our index file as a inline CSS. Okay, here this color will be canvas. Okay, so here you can use span, inline CSS, inline HTML tag. Span, you already know that it's a inline HTML tag. Okay, and span. Okay, span close, and here just write inline CSS. Suppose I write style equal to, suppose I write color colon this color. Okay, and now refresh your browser. You can see canvas is colored according to our as like our template image. Okay, also you can use here, you can see you have right here footer section H2, then span. Okay, also you can write selector as here, you can see footer section H2, then span. Okay, you can write here this color, just copy this color code and paste here. Okay, refresh your browser. You can see the same results. Okay, so as you wish, you can doing anything. That's CSS anyway. Now our CoderZone, it's has like our same, just use span, just use span close, and here just write, there will be, and here just write inline CSS, suppose style, copy the color code. You can see this color code, Ctrl Alt C, copy the color code and write color must use hash because this is the color code. Anyway, I hope you already know. You can see we have write span opening tag before the CoderZone and then closing tag. Okay, and refresh your browser. You can see CoderZone is colored. Okay, so we have successfully complete our footer section. Okay, now we can see here a floating social link. Okay, you can see it will be fixed when you scroll your project, but it will be fixed. So let's go in our template image. You can see it will be fixed. Okay, I mean whole body. You can see where about page, privacy page, all. Okay, all page will be appeared. So you need to write into body section. Okay, you can write anywhere into the body section, bottom or top. I write suppose bottom. Here just take a div, suppose class equal to, I write floating social. Suppose I write floating social link. Suppose I write it as example and close the div. Okay, then again suppose I take a div, class equal to, suppose I write fixed linked and close div. here will be our image. You can see 3 images. Okay, so first write a, all image will be linked. Okay, ahref, and then close a, and here write the image tag, suppose img src equal to our all images image folder, then our image name. Okay, go to first our Facebook, copy the Facebook name, image name, images slash Facebook, and alter tag. Okay, just Ctrl plus D to double the line, and here will be our second image is Twitter. Okay, Twitter, copy the image name and just paste here. Okay, Twitter, and third is our Pinterest. Ctrl plus D to double the line, and here just paste Pinterest. Okay, refresh your browser. You can see our image is arrived, but we want to fix this image into here. Okay, so in here you can see we have write div here. Okay, so before first suppose use our template class. Okay, that we have write template and our overflow hidden class. Okay, overflow hidden and overflow hidden. Refresh your browser. Now it's taken here. Anyway, so we want to fix this image into here. Okay, before here we need to fix this image. Suppose you can see here all images rounded. Okay, so first write all CSS selector into our CSS. Suppose I write it last, comment out here. Suppose I write floating link. Okay, our social link, and then our fixed link, and then our image. Okay, I and anchor link A, and then image. Okay, Ctrl plus D to double the line A. We can see our anchor link and image under the fixed link. Okay, so fixed link A, and Ctrl plus T to double the line, and here will be image. Okay, you can see our image. Anyway, let's go for live design. Inspect element, you can see our images. Okay, so all images will be, you can see here with, suppose it will be, you can see here, suppose 50 pixel. Okay, height and width 50 pixel. Suppose we can write here width 50 pixel and height 50 pixel, and here just write border radius. Okay, 0.5%, 25 pixel. You can see now it's looking rounded or circle. Just copy the code, CSS line number 265, paste and refresh. Now it's complete. Now in our template image we can see it fixed in left side in our body section. Okay, you can see in our body section. So before fixing this, here you can see we have write in our index file, you can see body. Okay, first it will be relative with the body, cause this div will be fixed into left side in whole body section. Okay, where you visit, about, home, privacy, etc, where you have go to, but this section, I mean this link or social link will be fixed the left side. Okay, and for this here we need to understand that this body will give shelter to div. Okay, I mean this div will be sheltered under the body. Okay, I mean this body will provide shelter to this div. So for this, first write into the body position relative. Okay, in our top here we can write, just write body, and here write position relative. Okay, and this div floating social link, this div will be sheltered under this body. So this div position will be absolute. Okay, so here floating link, here just write position absolute. Okay, now refresh your browser. You can see it's already right side. Okay, here you can see we have some mistakes that our footer section, in our footer section we can see it will be full. Okay, anyway we will doing it later, first fix it then. Okay, anyway you can see this link will be middle space. Okay, suppose here, so just here in our fixed link div, okay, you can see in our fixed link div, this div are all image under this link. Okay, so here just write, suppose I write left 0 pixel and top, suppose I write 200 pixel, and width, suppose I write, you can see this width, and I write, suppose this width, suppose 300 pixel. Okay, 300 or more space, you can see, use the down key from your keyboard, arrow key, okay, and fix the width. Okay, just copy line number 264. Okay, line number 264 here, just paste, and left and top, this code just use here, cause this is our main or parent div. Okay, you can see here our main div is floating social link. Okay, floating social link, here just write, suppose this, and refresh your browser, you can see it's already 200 pixel from top. Okay, from top 200 pixel. Okay, 119, you can see 200 pixel, and left is 0, you can see left 0, left side is 0 pixel, you can see left side 0 pixel, and top will be 200 pixel, but we want to middle it. Okay, so just increase it into our parent div. Okay, here just, so floating social link, use up key from your keyboard. Okay, suppose I can write 450 pixel, now it's maybe 450 or 500 or 500 pixel. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now it's 500 or increase more, 580 pixel, you write as you wish. Okay, 263 here will be 580 pixel. Okay, refresh your browser and inspect element, our main div, you can see this div with is marked, you can see marked. Okay, 960 pixel, but you need to fix this width, so floating social link, here just write width, suppose according to our fixed link div, we can see 170 pixel, you can use also 170 pixel. Okay, so 170 pixel, and copy line number 200, just paste here. Okay, refresh your browser, you can see it's okay. Now in our template image, we can see it's below. Okay, so in our image, inspect element, here just write, suppose, or you can fix width. Okay, easily in our main div, here just fix width. Okay, suppose decrease the div width. Okay, you can see it's already taken. Okay, I am designing live that you can easily understand. Okay, suppose with 54 pixel. Okay, this is our parent div 263, you can see here just write 54 pixel, and this is our parent div, and this is our second div fixed link, you can see parent div and fixed link. Okay, so here just write also 54 pixel. Okay, and refresh your browser, you can see our all below. Okay, I hope you understand. Just fix the width, you can see when hover, you can see 54 pixel. When your image will not give enough space or width, okay, into the right side or left side, then it will automatically down. Okay, because we don't fix any height, but we fix width. Okay, and for this it's take any space the below. It's a simple. Okay, now in our footer section we can see that it's not as like our template image. Okay, you can see here will be full space. Okay, here will be full width. Okay, so here just use just inspect element and our footer sections, here just use suppose padding, top and bottom suppose 0 pixel, and left and right suppose 20 pixel. Okay, you can see, I hope you can see it's okay. Okay, and here we can see it's have some white space between our main body and footer section. So just here just write here margin top. Okay, margin top 20 pixel, you can see. Just copy the code, line number 242, line number 242. Okay, Here just paste and refresh your browser. Okay, now it's okay. So it's totally complete. Also we can use, suppose when hover the image, it will be suppose as like our opacity blur gallery image, you can fix it. So just here in our image, here just write hover. Okay, hover, just opacity 0.5. okay, just refresh, you can see when hover the image. Okay, also in our previous tutorial we have some mistakes that when you can use, it's not mistakes, just you can use, I hope you already use, when hover the social link it will just design. Okay, we can use, but in our still image we cannot understand that what kinds of style using here. Okay, but your buyer will give instruction when your buyer will give you a image project. Okay, image to HTML, so we can use hover CSS as our wish. Suppose I'm using here, in our here, suppose we can see social link then a. Okay, just copy the class name and style sheet, here just press Ctrl F and paste and find. Okay, you can see social link a. Okay, just close it, and here will be social link a. Suppose I want to hover color, suppose I want to background, suppose transparent. Okay, transparent means background will be empty or blank. Okay, so refresh your browser, you can see background transparent, but our text color is white. For this we cannot understand, so we can use color will be suppose black 000. Okay, I write it as example, you can write as you wish. Refresh your browser, you can see. Okay, now it's looking so nice. Okay, background transparent, I mean background blank and text color black. Okay, so we have successfully designed our project template. According to our project template, you can see in our next tutorial I will show you how to make a about page, privacy page and contact page, and how to link up with them. Okay,